Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see inner join in SQL. So what is SQL inner join? So you can see here we have two tables, table 1 and table 2. Then when join condition is met between left and right table, then it will return all the common rows from table 1 and table 2 between the join conditions. Okay, so let's see the syntax of inner join. So we will select column 1, 2, whatever the columns you required from left table 1, and then we have to give inner join the table name 2, and the join condition is on table name 1 dot column name equal to table 2 dot column name. So let's see an example. So here we have two tables, employee details and department details. So you can see we in employee details we have columns like employee ID, employee name, age, city and salary, and in department details we have columns like employee ID, employee name, sex and department. Now we will do inner join of employee details and department details tables based on column employee ID between the tables. As you can see, the common column is employee ID in both of the tables. So here we can see the matched employee IDs marked in yellow in above tables. Okay, so let's go to Toad and then we can execute the inner join query and see how it works. So here you can see both the tables, employee details and department details. So if you do select star from employee details, you can see all the employee IDs. Okay, and then if you do select star from department details, you can see all the employee details of different employees. Okay, now let's write the inner join query. So what we will do, we will write select and then let me do select start from employee details. Okay, now select your table name, and that is employee details. Okay, let me copy it. Select employee details dot employee ID, whatever the columns you want. So here I am selecting employee name and then employee details dot salary. So I am selecting employee ID, employee name and salary. Okay, from let me put in other line. Yeah, from your employee details table. Okay, and also you can give alias to this table name. So here I am giving EMP, so it will be easy to write the query. Okay, so let me put emp dot employee ID, emp dot emp name and emp dot salary. Okay, because we have given the alias name. Okay, from table name, and then we will write inner join. We are joining department details table, right? So we will write department details here. Let me copy it. Yeah, and you can give the alias name as department, DEPT, depth on. So what is the common column we saw? That is employee ID. So emp dot emp ID equal to department DEPT dot emp ID. Okay, so that is your join condition. Okay, so we have written this query. Now let's execute it. So here you can see we got the result, and these are the matched columns from both the tables. So we got total 6 rows. Okay, so now the tables are joined using inner join. Okay, now suppose if you want just a minute. Now suppose you want to write one where clause, like where emp dot salary greater than equal to suppose 10,000. So it will join the table as well as give the salary which is greater than equal to 10,000. So let's execute it, and you can see here we got two rows, 10,000 and 13,000. So you can use where condition as well in inner join. Okay, as per your requirement. So let's understand this query. So we have used employee ID, employee name and salary from employee details table. Okay, we have given the alias name EMP, and then we wrote inner join department details. We have given the alias name department on emp.empid equal to department.empid, and then you can give where condition if you have the requirement. Okay, so this is how we can write inner join. Please subscribe for more informative sessions. Thank you. Bye.